Hi, this is Guy from the Carpet Cleaning Guy. We're on site at a customer's property cleaning their carpets, and we've also been made aware that unfortunately the family dog has been unwell. So there's some areas where there's urine on the carpets. So you can see the white strip there, that's one area. So I'm going to show you how it's treated safely and extracted from the carpet, and the difference at the end. So that's where the urine is. I'm going to apply a solution liberally. And what this is going to do, it's literally going to eat the urine, so it's a live enzyme. I'm going to let it dwell for 25 minutes to do its job. Then extract the urine, then rinse it through, and extract again, and we'll see the difference when it's done. Okay, so the solution has been working now for the past 25 minutes. Which is a pretty long time and long enough to ensure that it's done a good job. So now what I'm going to do is extract it out. And this is taking urine not only from the surface of the carpet but also from the backing. So it is literally a complete removal. Okay, so now that's been extracted, what we're going to do is rinse it out of the carpet, whatever's remaining. We don't want to leave that in there, believe me. And I've got to say now, this isn't the stuff you can buy off the shelf. If you do have urine or blood, for example, or vomit in your carpet, I'd strongly suggest contacting a member of the NCCA, which is the National Carpet Cleaners Association. You can find your local NCCA certified carpet cleaner via the website. Okay, so I'm going to give this a couple more flushes, then we'll see if that luminous strip is still there. Okay, that's done. So we're going to have a look under the UV light, and that's where the urine was. Remember the luminous patch? Well, it's no longer there, so we can safely say that the urine's been removed. Okay, so if you have any similar problems, feel free to give me a call on 01634 790 417. Alternatively, drop me an email to guy@thecarpetcleaningguy.co.uk, or more information on our services can be found at www.thecarpetcleaningguy.co.uk. Thank you.